Jumping rope was a firm favorite in the playground when we were kids, but as an adult, picking up a jump rope might not be your first choice for exercise. Although we tend to associate adults jumping rope with boxers sweating in the gym, it can be an overlooked in favor of other cardio exercises, like jogging, swimming, and weight training. With the unstoppable rise of home workouts, however, we think it's time to give the classic jump rope another look. It's a compact and cheap piece of equipment. You can use it anywhere, and it's also got some huge health benefits. A hefty calorie burner, jumping rope can tone muscles all over your body, build stamina, and improve your health, among other awesome benefits. You can jump rope every day. However, how much you jump each day depends on your skill level, conditioning, and overall physical health. If you decide to jump rope every day, it's important to start slowly and listen to your body to prevent injury. But how exactly does jumping rope change your body? And if you're doing it every day, what are the effects? In this deep dive, we'll take a look at all things jump rope. It's easy. Jumping rope is probably one of the easiest exercises to pick up. Even if you're out of shape and you've never worked out a day in your life. Think about it. You literally pick up a rope, swing it around your body, and jump over it. It's low impact. Surprisingly, jumping rope is in fact lower impact than running. Jumping rope is performed on the balls of your feet, which helps prevent knee and hip injuries, an issue that runners commonly deal with. For an even lower impact workout, consider picking up a jump rope mat. Jumping on a vinyl foam mat will provide additional protection for your knees and joints. I've also found I can jump rope for longer when jumping on a jump rope mat. Calorie cooker. Skipping rope every day for a limited period of time and at a fixed pace will also help you burn calories. You can include short, high-intensity interval sets to activate your muscles and burn more calories. Jumping rope can also help you build muscles over time. Jumping rope, on average, burns around 200 to 300 calories per 15-minute session. That's 25% more calories than running. There are a few elements that determine how many calories you burn during each workout. Your weight, how many jumps you perform, and how long you jump for. Either way, it's one of the most effective forms of cardio. Jumping rope can decrease belly fat. No workout is effective on its own, without dieting, to get rid of belly fat. But HIIT exercise like jump rope has been linked to trusted source faster fat loss results, particularly around your abs and your trunk muscles. By pulling your core tight during a jump rope exercise routine, you can target that area and start sculpting abs. It improves your coordination. One of the most frustrating things about jumping rope can be the moment when, after a blissful few minutes of joyful skipping, the rope catches on your feet and stops you in your tracks, and causes quite the sting. If you're thinking of starting to jump rope every day, though, have faith. It can improve your coordination and motor skills, meaning those clumsy moments will probably get fewer and farther between. Skipping a rope can improve the coordination between your eyes, feet, and hands. Whether you are keeping a close watch on your feet and rope movement or not, but your brain is aware of how your feet are moving. The more variations you do with the rope, the more conscious and coordinated you will be. It reduces the risk of foot and ankle injury. With the continual bouncing up and down that jumping rope entails, your feet will see a lot of action. Not only does this strengthen them over time, but it also reduces your likelihood of certain sports injuries. Performing this exercise can actually help to strengthen your lower leg and calf muscles, which reduces the risk of foot and ankle injury. The lower impact nature of jumping rope and strengthening qualities of the exercise also mean that it has excellent rehabilitation benefits for athletes who've already suffered injuries and are looking for a way to get back into shape without any strong impacts that could hinder recovery. Your hand and grip strength will improve through jumping rope. When exercising, we can tend to focus on the most visible muscles, rippling abs, toned arms, and sculpted glutes. But it's important not to forget about the little guys. While you might not give much thought to your palms and fingers, jumping rope every day can lead to stronger hands and a better grip. When you jump rope, you're constantly gripping onto the handles and working your hands to guide the rope underneath your feet. And this means that your hand muscles are in a constant state of contraction throughout a workout. Gripping the handles when jumping rope also creates tension in the forearms, strengthening them. These muscles contribute to your grip strength. How much should you jump rope each day? If it's been years since you've worked out, you're going to want to start off a little slower. The last thing you want to do is injure yourself. Injuring yourself is going to set you back. Far more than a few extra minutes are going to advance your training. So, take things slow. For someone that rarely works out and is out of shape, you're going to want to start off around 5 to 10 minutes. And, don't be too stubborn to break that into 2 or 3 sets. Additionally, if you have any pre-existing injuries or conditions, you'll want to consult a doctor prior to incorporating a jump rope into your routine. For someone who has been jumping rope for a while and is in pretty great shape, you can push it. It all depends on how fit you are. Bottom line, listen to your body and do what feels right for you.